Okay, so good. Hello, student. This unit number 6, Universal Human Value, and unit number 6. This is the third video on topic environmental ethics. As we know that we must care of the environment. What should be the ethics related with the environment are discussed in these videos. The very reason for our existence in environment, and when environment is there, when environment in good conditions, then we will be in good condition. The food we get, the water we drink, the cloth we wear, the shelter we live in, you name your need, and it is resource from the environment. Everything, most of the things are obtained from the environment. We must take care of the environment. Environmental ethics is the study of moral issues concerning the environment, do's and don'ts, moral perspectives, beliefs, or attitudes concerning those issues. Okay, so these things are considered here, are taken care how we to should take care of the environment. Okay, because whatever the thing we want, we get from the environment. Okay, directly, indirectly. Engineers in the past are known for the negligence of the environment in their activities. Okay. It has become important now that engineers design eco-friendly tools, okay, machines, sustainable products, processes, and projects. Okay, this word is nowadays used most of the time. Eco-friendly means eco environmental friendly. Okay, so nowadays whatever the thing which you have to design, produce, it should be eco-friendly. Okay, that will be tools, machines, sustainable product, process, and project. So it should be readily absorbed. There should not be any kind of bad effects of that particular product process on the environment. That thing must be considered. Okay, these are essential now to ensure protection of the environment, prevent the degradation of environment, and slow down the exploitation of the natural resources so that the future generation can survive. Okay, future generation can only survive when we protect environment. Otherwise they will be in various they will be in various very horror situation after a few years. So it is our duty as an engineer, as a citizen. Okay, we must protect our environment whatever the way possible. Okay, activity, find out cases where engineers are responsible to create some good impact on the society and how we inspire from them. Okay, so this is the activity. We have to find out the cases where engineers are responsible to create some good impact on the society. Okay, how they can create good impact by protecting the environment. Okay, and how can we inspire from them. We have to search how the peoples are helping by making the eco-friendly process, that mechanical engineer, civil engineer, environment, or electronics engineer, how they are producing their good their processes, products, and by thinking it as a eco-friendly. Okay, by taking care of the environment. Okay, sharing good incidents, any 5 to 10 can share. Okay, this is one of the activity given to the student. Sustainable environment. The American Society of Civil Engineers Code of Ethics has specifically requires that engineers shall hold paramount the safety, health, and welfare of the public and shall strive to comply with the principle of sustainable development in the performance of professional duties. Okay. The term sustainable development emphasizes on the investment, orientation of technology, development, and functioning of the organization to meet the present needs of the people and at the same time ensuring the future generation to meet their needs. Okay, what is said in over there is that engineers should not think about the present only. They should also think about the future. Whatever the activities they are doing in the present, they must be they must think related with the environment. Whatever the thing they are going to produce, design, make, or that can be tools, machine, product, they must be eco-friendly, thinking about the environment, which should not harm environment in order to save the futures. Examples of Pani Foundation is a very much good activity. Pani Foundation, okay, which was a very much known activity, Pani Foundation, which was in our Maharashtra, in order to save the environment. But on the foundation activity was carried out in order to collect water. They used to dig uh, so that they can collect water in the rainy season. Okay, that was successfully carried out. That thinking about the future environment. Okay, duties for engineers. Engineers as experimenters have certain duties toward environmental ethics. Okay, environmental impact assessment. One major but sure and unintended effect of technology is wastage and the resulting pollution of land, water, air, and even space. Study how the industry and technology affect the environment. Okay, so this is the engineers experiment have certain duties toward the environment, namely environmental impact assessment. Okay, environmental impact assessment of the impact on the environment on major but sure and unintended effect of technologies wastage and the resulting pollution of land, wastage from the various industries, pollution from pollute various wastage from the industry is thrown in the rivers, water is polluted, environment is polluted, land is polluted. So that is the duty of the engineer to carry out the, assessment how that engineers are going to impact the environment, establish standards, study and to fix the tolerable and actual pollution level. Okay, study and fix the tolerable and actual pollution. You have to find out what are the tolerable levels and what are the actual pollution levels. Countermeasures. What are the countermeasures? Study what the protective or eliminating measures are available for immediate implementation. Study that what are the protective or eliminating measures are available for the immediate implementation. Environmental awareness. Study on how to educate the people on environmental practices, issues and possible measures. We will stop for this for a while. I will continue in the next video.